This is regarding the land proposed to be given to Navy at Mopar. And this is shockingly at the instance of Sri Manohar Parrikar, the Defence Minister of India. And I would say this is a treacherous game against interests of Goa. The proposal is mooted by Sri Parrikar, and he is pressurizing the Chief Minister of Goa give the land to Navy. If Navy wanted any land at Mopa, very well Daboli could have been shifted, their air base in Daboli could have been shifted to Mopa, and the entire land which is in Daboli could have been given to the civil aviation authorities. But that they will never agree. And therefore, such a proposal was never forced upon. Question is, Parrikar failed to get any land to the Airport Authority of Goa when Airport Authority badly required. The land presently in occupation of Navy at Daboli actually belongs to Goa government. Because when they landed in Goa at the time of liberation, they stayed back and ultimately got recorded the name of Defence Ministry or Navy in the record of rights without producing any title document. I have been saying this all the time. Let them say which document they produced before survey authorities to prove their possession of land at Daboli. They had never. And I was answered similarly and in a vague terms in Parliament. Let it be as it is. Now, if you are asking land at Mopa for Navy, and once you give Navy any land, the operations of civil aviations in Mopa will be totally affected. They will be harassed in the same way civilians are harassed at Daboli on some pretext or other.